Hello everyone, it's VitaVman1 here again today, and I have a block swapper. My very own design too. So I've been doing a few videos recently with redstone of other people's contraptions, and well, I wanted to do something of my own. And I've made a block swapper. Now let's just go outside and look at the wiring. It's actually surprisingly simple. So, the signal from the button goes up these half slabs. I'm using a half slab here to avoid activating this piston. This piston will not activate no matter what this signal is. So the first thing it'll do is turn off this torch, which will pull up the block. Now this is not an infinite loop, as this is a half slab and does not get powered underneath by redstone torches. So the signal will... Now this is just to add another one over there. Then the signal goes into a pulse shortener. This will shorten it to one tick, which then goes into a piston, which acts as a T flip-flop since it's one tick pulse. So this is a piston. Now this redstone block is powering the wire underneath it, and this redstone wire goes into these pistons to push it across. And when this is, if I just swap it, this block is over here now, so it's powering these pistons. So that way, every time it activates, it'll swap which piston it's activating. So that way it'll go across, back, and if I just get a button, I should be able to show you. As you can see, now the other one's active, and it moved across like that, and it's swapped and pushed down. So that's basically how the whole thing works. One thing I am confused with though is with these. This one is just for the start, but because man, I can't talk. This part's different because I built it first, and it was like a prototype, and then I built these ones, and yeah. These ones just use the signal that I've already got, so I don't have to re-shorten it every time. Now you'll see these pistons are in the opposite state. That's just because the system is inverted, so that I could have the wires running this close easily. So that's about it. And they can be in this direction. They can be tiled closer together by 2 blocks, but in this direction they can't be tiled any closer. So the reason I've got these ones the distance they are is so that they're the same distance as here. As you can see, if I count, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in between, and over here it's 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's the same distance between all of them. So I'll show you it in action again, and it's quite quick too. So as you can see, I am in the latest snapshot, and the reason I'm in the latest snapshot is because it does lots of redstone stuff, because it makes changes to redstone. I still cannot work out how to fix that. In fact, I will be making a video on the actual problem with that, but that's a separate video. So, this is VitaVman1 signing off. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!